Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best mechanical keyboards in 2021 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. Our list begins with the Corsair K95 Platinum XT. This Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT is a powerhouse keyboard with numpad and macro keys joined by an ample wrist rest and RGB lighting. By design, its upper face is carved out of a single piece of brushed aluminum with an RGB strip and Corsair logo along the top edge, and its thick USB cable comes 6 feet long and braided for improved durability. Its detached wrist rest is quite bulky, while the rubber of the previous iterations has been replaced with a softer, more comfortable leatherette. And coming to its performance, its reliable Cherry MX RGB Speed key switches ensures that this keyboard is optimized both for typing and gaming. And with its perfectly angled wrist rest, makes for a strain-free and pleasantly cushioned typing experience, even after hours of use. In all, with brilliant performance and top-notch build quality, this Corsair K95 Platinum XT is one of the best mechanical keyboards you can have in 2021. Next is Fnatic Streak. Fnatic is a leader in the professional esports movement, and as one would expect from a keyboard from an esports organization, this Fnatic Streak offers many features, especially for gamers. Each one of its keys can be lit in one of about 16.8 million colors, while its keyboard software, called OP, allows you to configure many aspects of the Fnatic Streak. It offers various illumination presets and gives you the ability to assign any color to any key individually. As well as, you can also reassign any key you need and record powerful macros, including even the special keys like Shift, Alt, or Space. Its magnetic wrist rest supporting 3 adjustable height levels and can make long sessions of working or playing easily enjoyable, while the USB pass-through will enable you to plug in another device directly at the keyboard. With its metal top plate and original Cherry MX switches, this keyboard is built to last, and it also adds 4 switch types to choose from, including Cherry MX Red, Cherry MX Blue, Cherry MX Brown, and Cherry MX Silent. Next is Razer Huntsman Mini. This Huntsman Mini comes with features like software customization, BPT keycaps, and a superb linear switch option. Its 60% case is low profile in design, with an aluminum top plate, while the rest of the case is ABS plastic, and by design, it has a straightforward design. Its keyboard offers 2 options on color, white mercury or a more traditional black, and just like the Huntsman TE, this keyboard also has 2 feet height options at 6 and 9 degrees, in which both heights are comfortable to use for prolonged periods. Its levels of feet are coated with rubber, which does some work in preventing slippage, and with its white plate, it does show off the RGB on this case a little better than the black plate. Finally, on the top of the keyboard, it houses an off-center USB-C port. And in all, the Razer Huntsman Mini is one of the best 60% gaming keyboards available on the market. And as an addition, it also offers a very competitive alternative with good customization options via fully fledged software. Next is Durgod Fusion. This Durgod Fusion is a 65% compact keyboard with one of the most unique looks I have seen while reviewing mechanical keyboards. Targeting 80s kids, it has absolutely nailed the mark for nostalgia. And coming in 3 different colorways, it matches its retro inclinations too. The keyboard itself will feel firm, with a slight flex to it. And along with that, it has also colorfully designed keycaps with an option for wireless connectivity through Bluetooth or a dongle. The design of this keyboard is also well thought out, with a 2-color keycap design in cherry profile, provided with a double-shot manufacturing technique. And its keycaps come in the ideal profile and shape, and its 65% layout can balance space saving and comfort perfectly. In all, this Durgod Fusion is a great keyboard that has the supreme typing experience, and I would highly recommend this keyboard to anyone who wants a keyboard with an excellent typing experience with excellent appearance. Next is Drop ALT. This ALT mechanical keyboard is a smaller take on the Drop's control model, with 67 keys instead of 87. Its entire case is made from an anodized aluminum, which is thick and provides some heft to the keyboard, and on the high-profile version, it is at a slight angle of 6 degrees. While the bottom part of the case is a bit bigger than the regular flat version, you can choose between either the high-profile or regular version, and made from thick PBT plastic with double-shot shine through legends. Drop will provide you with their excellent Skyline series keycaps. Coming to its RGB, Drop ALT has stunning RGB with individual addressable LEDs for each switch and lighting on the side of the case. And for ports, it houses 2 USB-C ports on either side of the board. In all, this Drop ALT is not just a remarkable 65%, but also a board in general that looks and feels great. Last on our list is the Ducky One 2. Packing a plethora of customization, high quality, and nice touches in one good-looking package, this Ducky One 2 is one of the best 60% keyboards on the market. It features a superior 60% design with just the essentials and its function layer system. And made entirely of plastic, its case comes with a duotone black top and white backing, as this plastic and black plate alone are thick enough to make the Ducky relatively rigid with little to no flex. Along with that, it also adds a tiny bit of flair to its design for keeping it minimal and classy, and its white-black plate can really make the RGB pop out of the keyboard, which can be further enhanced by Ducky's great RGB modes. For ports, it uses a USB Type-C and a standard USB-A port at the end of the connector with some Ducky branding. And finally, coming to its keycaps, Ducky keycaps are double-shot PBT keycaps with laser-engraved side labels. While the thickness of the keycaps is also much more generous than what you would see in other mainstream keyboards. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.